Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Blurry on the application of Discord. You click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Discord problem and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the error, so you can delete your account. In the end you can go to Play Store, you can search about Discord problem and you can update your app if you will find updates in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.